My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say your name?
Ageable.
Okay.
You not tell man that farmer sure again do all the time. One man with the panel who claims him a pastor but in bad mind.
Oh, you mean Campbell? That the name him you call.
Yeah.
Him deserve to put him out there, chip him fucking naked, bro. Me not attack pastor. But this one need to chip him naked.
So Campbell was a pastor.
Him that trained to be a pastor.
Okay.
On the contract, you know, ask me, sir, what the best memory? You know, you're not yet a 16-year memory me have about contract business. There was a guy named Campbell, you know. Nice, handsome guy. Everybody like him. Him quiet. And if you want a money for borrow, Campbell no hitch. First of all, he take your ID and he lend you a money. So when you go pay him back your money, he give you back your ID. In which no fee him money. A people money ma take. For Campbell come from Jamaica the first evening, Campbell no have to work. And them have him job experience too. You have some white people used to come at the camp, come keep service at night time in the mess hall.
Yeah.
Campbell are the head one for us.
My leader.
Yes. And me play guitar and me sing. He said, Roden, come in, sir. Tonight we want you, you know. And me sing. When you go to a mess hall, Campbell go into the mess hall. You see? And he grace the food before any man start to eat. That's how deep the man was. You understand me? He leave and go back up in bed. He not catch no food. A man taking dish and carry food go up, cover it with towel and sitting.
They like him.
I don't like him. They rate him and respect him.
Yeah.
Come not go in a mess, I'll go get nothing. Break. Jesus. Super tell us in the camp, don't cook in the bunk. Don't cook in the bunk.
That's how which part will sleep.
Which part we sleep? It will have a roach, ants,
A rat.
fly, rat, and contaminate the place, which is truth.
Yeah.
But man still a broken rule. Super no. All the people that sell super weed and that sell super beer, they might cook. But super have to give out the sound. I feel him job to give out the sound. There is a Rasta man from St. Catherine. Call him Good Boy. Good Boy no nyama mesal. He broke every rule and cook his own food. I dread you know, but you know them telling you, you cut when you come up and go back down with dread. So, you know, a Rasta man. Good Boy. See Campbell bed so. See if Good Boy bed so. A tap and bottom bed, you know. Bunk bed. See if Campbell bed so. See if Good Boy bed so. Because the Rasta man Good Boy. I hope he should have lived in long and hear them say, he would not tell the world, say, yeah man, a truth. So every time Good Boy cook, he give Campbell food. And Campbell eat. Because Good Boy one good chef in the Rasta. And he clean the Rasta man. And all them time him Campbell keep on that tell super. Say man a cooking at the camp. Same Campbell, you know. We are preach and they say hallelujah and they say hallelujah. You know. The pussy hole there, you know.
But everybody read.
The white people them have him are taking pastoral course in the Pennsylvania. Every time they come, they carry one in the course of people could give him. I think I read and write good, you know. And he doing course. And it wasn't too long to come when he could have get his certificate as a pastor. And he could have gone anywhere in the world. Because he had get his certificate from Pennsylvania. The white people have him doing his course. You know, paper. You understand me?
Yes, man, I understand, man.
Good. Now, one morning, good boy fry some kingfish. Him no hit a mess all, period. He fry some kingfish and make some big round dumpling. Fry them. If you can have him lunch.
That's supposed to taste good, you know, man.
Shut up, no boy. And some for breakfast. So him give Campbell 3 of the dumpling and 2 pieces of the fish. Campbell nyam 2 of the dumpling and nyam the 2 pieces of fish. And carry 1 of the dumpling in a file paper same way. Go down to super office 5 o'clock in the morning, you know, because we have to get ready for go to work 6 o'clock, you know. About 5 o'clock in the morning. Go down to super office. Super in the office. Him and one white man that do some paperwork. Him walk in. Super. You all the while me I tell you this man a cooking at the campus no super. Come now, man. Come now.
And super not busy with that, you know, man.
Super no want hear that more than all the white man this is a place, man.
No, put it on the spot.
If me go to super by himself and nobody will super that run away. But the white man was there, super office. Super what the white man no. So super have to get up put on it. It was a cold morning too. Super get up and put on his jacket and say let's go. So Super's go on, man. Super walk behind him. And he come on. And they come up in that with the on the upstairs, you know. Somebody come up and walk in front of Super. Somebody catch him on bed, watch him now. And
That Campbell.
yeah. He pass half in bed, you know. So when the Super behind him, watch him to Super now. Super stand up. Super say, hey, come on, man. You're going so fast. Who you say hope you have fried the dumpling and the fish? Tell me. Say, come back and Super say, don't whisper. Who you say have fried the dumpling and the cookie, sir? Watch him now. That man, sir. Brother, as tough as some of them nasty nigga they is, every man high full of water the morning, brother. Man cry living high water. Many man say,
They don't expect that from him.
brother, let me tell you something, say. Like a world we in, you know. And one boat. And one boat at 1,000 feet length, you know. A big building, you know.
Yeah.
We are talk to. We good enough. Hold it down. I mean, I remember how we face, you know. Anyway, make it roll see away.
Yeah.
On a pass. Yo, brother, let me tell you this right now. Every man, you see anything at me in that building there, Joel, I just say, bam, everybody here, you know, fast on Telegram. Nothing hiding this because you know nothing to think about besides this, so you know, your world that your district, that your world, that your country, this, so everybody come down. So, him say, that man, sir. So, Super say, all right. Super look man good boy and say, hey, man, I keep on telling you, man, can't cook in the camp. Super no. But anyway, Super say, all right, gentlemen, come on. Everybody come say, gentlemen, come on, let's go. Time to get ready. Another day, another dollar. So, him start walk off now. The same boy Stammer me tell you about. Stammer having uncle for coffee there. You see, Stammer can't walk off. Stammer do like so with the coffee right in his slippers.
The coffee did hot.
You know, so hot. Right in his slippers, Stammer throw the coffee. It's funny throw the coffee in it.
Some of it's about it, you know.
It's funny throw the coffee in his slippers. Sandwich, egg, grits, bread, everything everybody licking blood clot with. And come out of the Ghana work. It's like, you ever watch CNN? Are the news that for the whole entire season?
Headline.
About a week after the white people then come. Where's Brother Campbell? Is that some of the hypocrite them? They was so fast. You gonna tell the white people what happened? No! You mean Brother Campbell? You know the Campbell, you know?
Campbell.
Brother Campbell! Did he do all that? Yeah, man. Campbell take blanket and tie around for him bed. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. God forgive me. He ball morning, noon, and night. And before the crop over, you know what they do? They take him off a job experience and put him back on the knife. If you go cut cane.
So what people do job experience, what them do?
They mean that you get job experience to become pusher.
The pusher do.
Pusher see that the cane cut right.
Oh, like, yeah, supervise life.
Yeah, him see that the cane cut right and no trash in the cane and the pile set straight and you no cut the cane too high
Yeah.
and him have piece of stick. I pusher carry the first aid kit.
Okay.
I want piece of stick like my map stick. The piece of stick don't have to push under the cane and lift up it. And see if the cane cut good. If you know if you cut it too high stubble. If you cut it low, that's what pusher do. You don't cut no more cane. And that is a hard work, but it's easier than if you cut the cane. And you get a better price.
Yeah.
And that they may have it pan. Yeah. About 2 weeks after, automatically, they take
Then demote him.
demote him. Master, anybody can be lined up with you cut cane anytime. Master, me not cut the cane this morning, I'm going for my brethren. You can be a partner, you know. They call help you, you know, master. And pile him like worries and trash him too. You know what I call pile?
What that?
Take few cane and chop and feed cane, you think?
Like when you cut cane, you throw off in cane road. You know the animal cut cane like that.
He can't cut it. And the man with my trash with, you take your trash and throw it off him road. It's when the cane bun, brother. You should build sharp like it and you can't cut them cane bun, you know. We swing up, you know.
So like cotton. Like it talk like.
Come like sand you chop, you know, brother. Can't be ball like baby, no blood clean, brother. Man say, yo, you know, I mean, farmer can ask about one in the name Big Danny. Them name me can't call. You talk about, you're not yet. We never talk about Big Danny.
You know, remember.
Big Danny, a 2 hand him use, you know.
And chop cane.
Yeah, he use left hand good and he use right hand good. You know some people like that though.
Yes.
So, Danny a young boy. I don't even think Danny is 30 years old yet. Young boy, and he can read and write. And then he cut cane. The man with silver bill, man. The man go with, when you go with silver bill, that means you make money, you know. Me never go with a silver bill. When you go with silver bill, that means you not take a rest day. And you done every task that you get.
So somebody buy you that bill personally?
No man, it's a trophy.
Oh, trophy.
Silver bill.
Okay.
It's a trophy. You can't sharp me, you know.
Okay.
And you name it grave in it.
Oh wow. That's supposed to pretty.
It look like a bill.
But a real bill.
You cannot go sharp, you don't sharpen it. So man go man a build a house and build something on the wall and put in it. Silver bill.
Yeah.
You name it grave in it.
That's nice.
Very nice, man. When you get a silver bill, them the man they carry home silver bill every year, brother. Them the man they not take the rest day. And then the task they give them, they done it. That was Big Danny. Big Danny is one big muscular guy, you know, young.
Tall.
Not so tall, but he
he
trapping very much, and he can read and write good. And nice and handsome looking. So they start to elevate Danny, promote him. So them same thing they do him, they will give him a pusher work. So when they finally get a pusher job now, he not cut no cane. For about 3 years, Danny I do pusher work. In the same crew what he used to work in. When I come on the contract, I heard Big Danny and Brian. Brian teach Danny how to cut cane, you know. One older man. That Danny call him man daddy. No people think they're Brian's son, you know. Because they almost look alike. Yeah. So, when they if he become pusher now, and start to pusher work in the same crew we used to be in. You know what? You don't know, but me tell you about when you have something called check out. If you're not cut cane right, a pusher check you out. If a pusher have bad mind, no matter you cut it good, he still will check you out.
So when you check out, that means you never work for his ID?
No, you see, you have to go to camp. So, I mean, who perfect? No one ever perfect for cut cane. Look at Josh out there.
And look how cut high.
Only grow cut high. One cannot turn sideways. Rush, it's cheap and you have to rush. And you work hard, bro.
Boy, I tell you.
And it's also...
So then came the tall.
Some of them tall, you know, it's better than tall. But it's when they lie down. And if a giant get root. Fever fuck. That's why I ring out some man back. It's when they turn up and tall, it be bad and not so bad. But it's when they lie down, every giant get root. You know what me I talk about, man. That's why me I tell you, say, when I tell me must go to Belgrade, we go look for me, I say, man. You can't see it, you know. Anyway.
Machine never cut cane, you know.
So, Danny now start to push her work. Every fucking day, man. You know who you check out? The same man we teach him to cut cane, bro.
One when called daddy.
Yeah. Every day, he man check out the man.
So why am I check him out for every day?
Monkey see, monkey do, never see, can't see. You when I talk to him, you when say, a friend fuck friend.
So him say?
Yeah, a friend fuck. People say, and your friend, man, he say, a friend fuck friend.
Man, we teach him how to cut cane.
Me tell Danny, me not tell him on the contract. Me tell him a year for me, see you say, pussy hold me. He say, from you do me, chop off your bum, buck, make a charge, make a batty boy. By that time, you know, man, the big man, you know, Brian, you know, say, Big Danny, man, we are doing so, man. Me and my children, my grandchildren, my wife, and me say, if you don't take care of Jamaica, Big Danny, you kill me, man. You know what, me work no money, man. Where the fuck you do me? I remember one day, me and I just a group one winner. We go there. You want something, you want thing when they call it Charlie Frank. Charlie Frank is either the first road to the road or the last road to the canal back. That they call one of the Charlie Frank. The first road to the road. You know what you know that? A pay milestone, you know. We didn't take and pave the road for truck then drive pan. So some of them splash in the cane route. Who were the canal back? You all of them the cane the gun in the canal in the massa. And you have to draw them out. Those two cane have percentage. If the ordinary row cane is for $30, that row cane out there is for $35. Enough man like cut if you get a percentage. But me no like cut them cane their ass. And kill you out, bust up your back, bust up your shoulder. No feel no way. Everybody who don't left you, no matter what. And you have to cut. Somebody you have to do their move stone.
You can't get to chop a cane road.
You have to move stone all if you have to go to some chop and move stone again and you can't get the cane road. So one man you go there, you know, Brian, sa.
So Danny tell your old man.
You see Brian, Danny tell Brian, sa. So he not make no money, so he take it. Bumbo rascal, man. So in the day, so when everybody cut out and gone now,
No?
the white boy pass there and say, Brian, what the fuck you doing here, man? What you doing here, man? He said, Danny give me this job, sir. He said, okay. Danny should never give you this piece of job, man. A whole half a row of this cane. Danny gonna give you, man. That's not supposed to be. So you tell Danny to give you 20%, bro. Say, okay. So, when he finish, he go over, we part them a cut, the man in there cut cane. So he said to Danny, Nick say to tell you to give me 20%. A 5% me give, sir, and that's all you get. You give 5%. The man said, Nick say if he tell you, say if you give me 20%. So 5 you get and a 5 you get. So same as in the attack, the rice truck come. About 11 o'clock, the rice truck come. So the boy did cry, me want some my food off a truck. Nick, the white boy. So come on and say, Daddy, what the fuck you do, man? You don't give this older guy them job, man. You give him 20? He said, no, you get 5. He said, give him 20. I said, I am the top supervisor for everything. Them the man that drive one yellow van. He said, give him 20. 5 you get and the 5 you will get. Why man go about in business? So in the evening, now, Brian come and getting ticket. So every day you get one ticket, you know. So I go down to the office and say to Nick, Nick, the man never give me the 20, you know. A 5 he still give me. So I just take up on the mic and say, pop. Danny, come to the office immediately. And I go to the office. He said, didn't I tell you to give this man 20%, man? 5 he forget and a 5 he get. Man, take it and say, come. Say 20% for the fee. So then he come out of the office. Then he say, you're just done. So woodpecker and man on earth, they go imply them now, you know. Me tell you about woodpecker and man on earth. I see him camp with. So they go to man on earth and woodpecker. Them woodpecker and man on earth don't talk to people, you know. It's like them isolate themselves. But when you go to them, in this, say, listen to me. Make sure so you tell me the truth, you know. And there's me, you are going, you know, my boy. And everybody come back back 1 shilling. And if a pussy will come go on, and we did a mix right in my traffic style for you. $100. And you're good. And you go lie down. A man, me no put none in it. But a man give him $5, $10, $20, make up $100 and pay man on earth. Me, I tell you so. Pay man on earth a woodpecker. They must have share $50 a piece. $50 money, you know, brother.
Yeah, man.
So we cut kin and we go home. Them say, Big Daddy come and chill on, you know. Them say, when they come back up here, they say, Big Daddy dead.